Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix boot BCD errors in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD door USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit, find Windows installation drive letter. Windows installed drive letter is C. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system per Teton is GPT. Select disk 0. Type list volume. Select system volume, select volume 2. Type assign letter equal to M. Type exit. Type mcolon. Type cd space, /EFI /Microsoft /boot. Type attrib space, BCD space, -H space, -R space, -S. Type ren space, BCD space, BCD10.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot space, Windows installation drive letter / Windows space, /S space, assigned drive letter space, /F space, UEFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.